Today, I am super excited to share with you Flux Academy new course, Core Design Skills. And in this video, I want to explain to you why we created it, how it's going to help you become a better designer and earn more, and what's so special about this. First of all, why we've created it. So at this point, we've helped thousands and thousands of designers learn how to build websites with Webflow and how to design strategic websites. But so many times when people show me their work, I cringe a little bit. And the reason is it doesn't look really good. And I know this immediately, and they know this immediately. And most importantly, their clients know this immediately. And so it doesn't really matter how technically advanced the website is or how strategic the work is. If it doesn't look really good, the clients immediately perceive it as amateur and they're not willing to pay top dollar for that kind of work. The reason this happens is because most designers, they get into design by learning technically how to build stuff. They learn the software, but they never get to learn the fundamental, the core design principle, things like typography and layout and color, working with images, and how to put it all together in a creative, original way. Now, here's the thing. We've put here on YouTube hours and hours of free content covering these design fundamentals. And while it's been very helpful, as you said, it hasn't been transformative. And the reason is you don't learn skills by watching videos. You learn skills by doing work. I want to share a personal story. When I was 16, I really wanted to learn how to draw, and I've stumbled upon a book that literally changed my life. The name of the book was Drawing on the Right Side of the Brain, and what drew me into this book was these very crazy before and after images of people before they're reading the book, their skills, and after they're reading this book. And I wonder, how can this be? And I read this book, and this transformation happened to me as well, because this book wasn't a theory book about drawing. It was filled with exercise on how to build your skill, and was super, super practical. And that's exactly what I wanted to do with our new course, Core Design Skills. So I asked Matt, who you know here from our YouTube channel and has been getting raving comments about covering the core design principles, to create a course that's going to be very, very short, very, very practical, and highly transformative so that you can have the same before-after transition just like I had. And that's exactly what he did. He created a course for busy people who don't have a lot of time with very short lessons, and most of the focus is on doing exercises, watching demos of him actually working, and doing assignments and quizzes. And not only you're going to do them, learn by actually doing, you're not going to do it on your own, but you're going to actually get feedback from our professional team of coaches, which is going to help you transform your work much, much faster. I know this is going to have a major effect on your design skills, on how your next project is going to look like, and on the quality of your portfolio and your ability to raise your prices. And so we're launching this course this week, and we have an early bird pricing for those of you who want to join right now. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below this video. I'll try to tackle them all, and I hope to see you with us in class. Talk to you soon.